You get in your car, leave your house, and drive west for 6.8 miles to go to the store. You leave the store and drive on a road that forms a 132-degree angle with the road you were just on to a gas station. Afterwards, you drive down another road that forms a 28-degree angle with the road you were just on to get back home. How far did you drive to get gas from the store, and how far did you drive to your house from the gas station? With any problem, we should first draw a picture to visualize the problem and what it is asking. We can see that this problem is based around a triangle, since there are 3 destinations and 3 roads we travel on. From the house to the store is 6.8 miles. The angle between the store and the gas station is 132 degrees. The angle between the gas station and the house is 28 degrees. And finally, the problem wants us to find the distance from the gas station to the store and the distance from the gas station to the house. Let's call these unknown values x and y. From the diagram, we can immediately recognize that this is a trigonometry problem. In order to solve this, we have to use the law of sines, which states that given a triangle with side lengths labeled A, B, and C, which are lowercase, angles labeled A, B, and C, which are capital, that the ratio of the length of a side to the sine of the angle opposite that side is the same for all 3 sides. These 3 ratios apply to any triangle. They are best known, however, to help solve unknown sides or angles to non-right triangles specifically. Now let's go back to our problem. I'm going to change the angle labels to A, B, and C just to make it easier. Now let's bring out that law of sines equation we just learned. From the equation, we know that we have enough information to solve the problem. We have 3 ratios to work with and 2 unknowns to solve. So let's see if we can set up a ratio. We can see that y is opposite of angle B, so we can plug these values into our equation. In order to solve this, we will need a second ratio, one without an unknown value so that we can solve for y. Well, we can see that 6.8 miles is opposite of angle C, so we can plug these values and form another ratio. As of right now, we do not need the third ratio because we have enough information to solve for y. We have answered the first part of the question. For the second part, we are going to have to set up that third and final ratio. However, we are missing the angle that x is opposite of. Luckily, from geometry, we know that all the interior angles of any triangle add up to 180 degrees. Subtracting angles B and C from 180 degrees leaves us with angle A equaling 20 degrees. X is opposite of angle A, so we can now set up our final ratio. Since they all equal each other, I'm going to choose sine of 28 degrees divided by 6.8 since we already used it, and it is good to choose the ratio given to you by the problem so there aren't any rounding errors. Now we just solve for x. We have officially answered all parts to the question. It takes 4.96 miles to get to your house from the gas station, and it takes 10.76 miles to get to the gas station from the store. According to the law, the ratios should equal each other, and indeed they do. Thank you for watching.